Hey there, Crimson Desert Gamers. In this video I'm going to talk to you about how you can do both of the Stellen Manor strongboxes. So first things first, just so we get our positions correct, let's just start off outside the front of the manor here. So I'm at the entrance right now in the courtyard area, and what you want to do basically is come over to the front wall here where you'll have two windows on the ground floor and windows above. I have already opened both of these, but you just need to go ahead and open them. Go ahead and climb up. Then once you've come in through the window, basically you're immediately going to find the strongbox here on the right. So go ahead and open that up. That is the piano strongbox, and you will have a series of 5 keys on the bottom and then 3 keys on the top. We start off here on the furthest left position and press that. Then we come across 2 to the third in. Press that. From here we come across 1 more and press that. Then we come back to the second one here and press that. And then underneath these keys you've actually got additional keys. And then after that we want to come back to the first one again and press that. And then we're going to come back to the third one here in the middle and press that. And then we're going to come over to the last one, which is to the right, which is the fourth one, and press that. And then we can go ahead and open it. And that gives us the Stellen Manor closet key. Once you've got the Stellen Manor closet key, you basically want to come through this door here into the main area of the house, on the balcony, on the landing here, and you come through this door here into the master bedroom, and here you will find a closet. Go ahead and open it, and then that will bring out this hand wheel. Simply go ahead and grab it, and then from here, if you start pressing down D, you will see that that is now beginning to lower the floor and brings down a secret table here with a very gruesome story to tell. You want to lower about halfway like this, and then simply go ahead and jump on top of it. Once you've got the book, simply jump down. We're going to then place this book on the bookshelf downstairs to get the Arcia sword. So as you come downstairs here, you want to come up to this bookshelf. Go ahead and inspect it with your lantern, and then you'll see that there is a R there to plant the book we just picked up. Let's go ahead and slot it in there. That will then open up the bookshelf, which we can then open. Go through the hidden door in the back, and that'll take us into this storage room here. And from this storage room, we then sneak down behind these barrels here to the cellar. And it's in this cellar here where you'll find somewhat makeshift torture chamber area. And then from this room, you basically come to the back here, and you'll actually see that the Arcia sword is hanging up just here. So here we go, we can go ahead and take it. And that, guys, is how you get the Arcia sword. Now for the other strongbox, we want to come back outside, and then with this tower here again facing the property, we then start climbing up this wall here. Go ahead and open the window and climb through, and here you will find the other strongbox. Now this one is very similar to the ones we've done before, and basically from left to right you want to do 2 spins. So that's 2. Come over to the second one and give it 5 spins. Come over to number 3 and give it 5 spins again. Come over to the fourth one and give it 4 spins. And then with the fifth one, we want to give it 3 spins. Then simply go ahead and open it. And there we go. We can now go ahead and steal the small box, which then gives us a finely crafted golden ring that has 1 attack and 1 attack speed. So I really hoped that that helped with the Stellen Manor lockboxes, guys. Please do subscribe to the channel. If it did, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.